Day 3 of riding with this Dougz Custom Spartan Mini with the SixUp windscreen. I'm loving every minute of it. It's a nice cold Michigan day right now. Lots of wind right now. I'd say without the windshield right now, I would be getting blasted with wind in my upper chest and head. With the windscreen, it is pretty much no wind anywhere near my chest or the head area. It's kind of hitting me at my forehead and with the windscreen, it's a completely different story. All the wind right now is getting shot over my head, basically. It's pretty much hitting me in my forehead of my full face. So if you don't wear a full face, that might be an issue for you. I don't know. Obviously, if I open my visor, I'm gonna get a little bit of wind, but right now, just cruising around like this, cruising around at freeway speeds. I've been on the freeway for a few miles as well. I mean, I'm getting pretty much no wind. I could ride like that all day compared to without the windscreen. Without the windscreen, I've been on some long trips. But after a couple hours, it kind of got old, pretty much. And I would be hunching over and trying to block the wind, basically. This is a great add-on to your Spartan Mini. The SixUp windscreen will be available in the near future. This one is a prototype right now. Kind of testing it out for Doug. Obviously, I'm testing it out pretty good here in Michigan in the winter. So, I believe it's like 30 degrees today, maybe a little bit lower with the wind. Having no issues riding. Obviously, Michigan has a ton of potholes, so you gotta avoid those. Just cruising around Michigan right now. This is a town called Northville. It's a pretty small town. This is pretty much the main area right in here. So there's a couple issues with the add-on windscreen that I've been noticing, which, I mean, it's not a huge deal. But right here you can see it is touching my brake reservoir and my, like, pretty much brake line. And also right here, if you can see that, is touching my clutch cable as well. But that's about all the issues I've had with it so far. I've been doing a little review today on the Dougz Custom Spartan Mini with the SixUp windscreen, which this is a prototype right now, so it's not available at the moment, but in the next couple months it should be. This is just a clear one right now. He's going to have them in light gray and dark gray. And I actually want to believe there might be a smaller one coming out as well. He also said if there was a good turnout on them, that it would be possible for him to create the mounting hardware and the actual windscreen in different colored tints, so like red, blue, green, etc. So that might be pretty interesting. So right now, just cruising at 25. There's completely no wind at my chest at all. It's zero. Now cruising around like 40, you start getting wind wrapping around like this. So that kind of hits you in your chest, but it's very minimal. I wear a full face helmet too, so that can contribute to not feeling as much wind. So if you have an open face helmet, if you're taller than me, if you're shorter than me, it could all vary on what you guys feel. But personally for me, this is perfect.